How to fix Google Tag Manager script error pop-up in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this error. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search Task Manager. Now click on the three dots, select View. Now click on Expand All. Here you want to find the Update Checker service containing the script error. Right click and select Open File Location. Now this is the file's location. Click on this arrow and you will find the program which is triggering the issue. Now to fix this, you have to uninstall it. For that, click on the search bar again and search Control Panel. Now select the option of Program and Features. Find the program from here, right click and click on the uninstall option. Follow the on-screen prompts to uninstall this app. Once you have uninstalled it, make sure to close the Task Manager. Now head over to File Explorer, find the file and then simply delete that. Now you can restart your PC and your issue will be fixed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.